It took me just 2 days to record this video, and it has generated over $1,000 on the back end. It only got 21,000 views, which is low compared to my top videos, and all I did was to teach people how to use a tool to build websites and placed my affiliate link in the description of the video. So in this video, I'll show you how to come up with ideas like this and how to create these types of videos. But before that, take a look at this channel called LearnWire. It's a small channel run by a guy by the name David Mill. If you look at his stats, you'll assume this is a dead channel since most of his videos get less than 2,000 views. But you'll be totally wrong, as this guy is a six-figure YouTuber who made over $120,000 in 2022 alone, 70% of which came from affiliate revenue. This may sound too good to be true, but I was in one of his communities and he showed us the proof of how he was able to make over $8,000 in 3 days promoting a single product. You see, his strategy is really simple and you can do the same. You'll simply make a video reviewing a particular software and add your affiliate link in the video. If people find your video helpful, they'll make a purchase using your link and you earn a commission. The secret to making this strategy work is to create as many videos as you can on different software. So instead of having one video that makes me $1,000, imagine what will happen if I have 10 of these videos or 20 of them, and that is exactly what David is doing with his channel. There are many channels making money with this no viral video approach like Product Creation Formula and Digital Creator Avi. This one is run by a guy called Avinash who also makes over $10,000 per month from his relatively small channel. I knew this because he also revealed it in his course I took a while ago. However, I'm not selling you any course in this video, I just want to show you how you can do the same. This approach is called affiliate marketing, and I know you've probably learned it from gurus who make it look complicated, but I'm glad to tell you in this video that you can use YouTube as the only traffic source and become successful with it. Step 1. Get a camera or go faceless. Some of those guys show their faces on the channel, but you can go completely anonymous. This is because people are there for the review and not to look at you, especially if it is a new channel. While being on camera can improve your connection with the viewers, you can see that I don't show my face or use my voice in the video I showed you earlier, and people still watched it and clicked on my link since they found it helpful. Step 2. Choose a sub-niche to target. The main niche of this strategy is the software niche, but the sub-niche of the channels I shared is called LTD, otherwise known as lifetime deals. These are software your users only have to pay once and use them forever. You'll find them on sites like AppSumo and PitchGround, and on affiliate sites like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. The only issue with lifetime deals is some of the tools don't get support as time goes on, but people still buy them since they are usually worth their promo price in the long run. I personally focus on tools that are more established and have monthly recurring commission, but whichever approach you choose, the process is the same. You can also review physical products from Amazon like tech review channels, but that will require a budget if you are just starting out, so we'll stick with software reviews in this tutorial. Step 3. Research the tools. There are different ways to find ideas for the videos. If you are reviewing lifetime deal software, you can go on to AppSumo and look at the trending tools. Most of the tools on their homepage will be great for a video, and you can look at the description and ratings to learn more about them. Another way to find a great topic is to go to Muncheye. Here you'll find software that is ready to be launched soon, and if you are one of the first people to create a review on them, there's a high chance you'll make a good commission. This strategy is known as trend jacking, and it simply means that you'll promote tools with big launches on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. This will give you an edge over other creators when people are searching for the review of the tool. However, both platforms have a bad rap for having low-quality tools, so you must be careful when taking this approach. But it can make you a fortune if you get it right. Another way to find a video topic, which is my favorite, is to look for established or promising tools. For example, Canva is an established tool, while 10web is a promising tool, and it's very easy to find these tools on the web. You can go to sites like Software Advice and look at the tools in different categories by sorting them as frontrunners. You may also use Capterra.com, G2.com, and many others. To find promising tools, most of which are AI tools these days, you can go to sites like AI Tools Directory or Insider.ai and sort through the category you are interested in. While most of the tools will be premium, they usually have a free trial or a free version, which is enough to create a tutorial video. Step 4. Find the topic to create videos on. You should always create videos based on data, and the best way to do this is with VidIQ. You'll need the paid plan to get the most out of it, and I'll drop a link in the description below that will give you 98% off their boost plan. You need to install the extension and search for the tool you want to review on YouTube. You'll see the competition level and search volume on the right. If you scroll down a bit, you can click here to see related keywords to target. Here is where you'll find as many video ideas as possible. Looking at this data, for instance, you can see that a review and tutorial of 10web will be the best type of video to create here, as they have low competition and a good search volume. I also use this to get more ideas for the tool I'm reviewing, as you can see that people are searching for 10web booster, 10web plugin, and so on. You can also see you relevant topics like Best AI Website Builder, AI Landing Page Builder, both of which are great video ideas to include 10Web as one of the tools in the roundup. Another gem from VidIQ I always use is the AI Coach. You can simply ask it to give you titles and topics for a tool, and it will spit out great video ideas in seconds. This AI is different from ChatGPT as it has relevant data from YouTube and can also analyze your channel to give you topics that will perform. You can also reverse engineer this and ask it to give you topics for a particular category like AI logo design tools. Note the titles you are interested in and find AI logo tools on Google. You'll need to do more research on the tools to see the one with a good affiliate program that also has positive reviews from users. Logo AI, for instance, will give you $10 to $30 depending on the plans your referral chose, which is a good one to look into. Many of you have asked how I create my tutorials, and if you can get the next steps right, then you can do the same. Your steps may be quite different if you use your voice or appear on camera, as this is the faceless approach. Step 5. Record your video. Let's say you want to review the Logo AI Design app. The first thing you should do before recording anything is to test the tool yourself and look at its features. Doing this will let you know if the tool is worth promoting or not. You'll look at the pricing and workflow and jot down any important feature to include in the video. You can now record your screen using the tool the way you wish to present it to your viewers. You can use premium tools like Camtasia for this or use free tools such as OBS Studio. Don't worry if there are mistakes, as you can always edit them later. Step 6. Write your script. You need to start your video with a good and short intro, and you can be as straightforward as saying something like, "In this video, you're going to learn how to create logos with AI." Or you can start by adding some curiosity and say, "Gone are the days when you had to break the bank to hire a logo designer. With AI, you can now design professional logos for a fraction of the price." In this video, I'll show you how to design a quality logo for your business in seconds with Logo AI. Then you need to watch your recordings and type out the steps you took. The secret to making this work is to write your script the same way you would talk if you were to be on camera. You can even add phrases like "you see," "you know," and so on. You should also ignore the mistakes of the recordings and make sure to include all the necessary details. Step 7. Create the voiceover. The tool I use for the voice you are listening to is called 11 Labs. I've made a review on it, and I'll drop the link below this video. You simply need to find a voice you like or clone your own voice. You can paste the script on the dashboard to create the voiceover and export it when you are done. This is probably the easiest step of this process, as the AI will do all the work for you. Step 8. Video editing. Unlike the previous step, this is the hardest task to do, especially for beginners. However, if you are willing to learn a new skill, then you can start editing videos today and get better over time. There are many free tools for video editing like CapCut, VSDC, and DaVinci Resolve. You'll also find countless tutorials on how to use them on YouTube, including the one I did a while ago. My editing process usually looks like this. First, I'll import the main screen recordings on the editing tool. Next, I'll cut out the unwanted parts and mistakes, which will make it shorter. Then I'll import the voice recordings from 11 Labs and sync it with the video. You'll need to try your best to make the voice match the video, or else your viewers will feel lost watching the video. Next, I'll add the intro, which usually includes captions, transitions, and animations. Finally, I'll add more effects throughout the video, which also include transitions, sound effects, and captions. If you don't want to go through this and have some budget, you can simply hire a good editor on Fiverr or Upwork. Otherwise, you need to learn how to use a video editing tool and follow the process as I laid it out. Step 9. Thumbnail. Your thumbnail should always be easy to understand and represent your video accurately. It should never be a repetition of the title and must not have too much text. If you are in a less competitive niche, like that of LearnWire, you can use Canva template to design the thumbnails easily. But if you are in a more competitive niche, I'll advise you to outsource it if you don't know how to use Photoshop. I hired designers for the thumbnails on this channel, and the results have been better than what I would design myself. Step 10. Upload and start making money. Create a channel if you don't have one and upload the video with your affiliate link. Use VidIQ to optimize your video and add the important keywords in the title and description. Rinse and repeat for other tools and analyze your result. You'll notice that some tools convert better than others, which means you need to create more videos on them. Now, if this strategy looks difficult, there's another way to create simple tutorial videos and earn over 10K per month. I've explained this in detail in this video showing up, so click on it to watch it. If you learn one or two things from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.